Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to show you how to select an element. It doesn't matter whether you're selecting it based on class, based on element name, or some other parameter. You can use this feature with it. It allows you to select just the first one. So if using the selector, you get more than one return back. So in this case we got epic class, and epic class allows us to be able to essentially add all of these classes. So we just got two classes, and we can, when we click on it, it prints it out. So if we only want it applied to the first one, all we have to do is put colon first, save that, and now if we reload, click on that, it works. Click on that, it does not work. It is only applied to the first one, even though this, it doesn't matter what the element type is, because it has a class. You could do it based on the name of the element. You can do that as well. You can combine it with that or other selector types. But because we've put colon first, the first one that actually appears in the DOM, in the body, is the one that this code is assigned to. And that's it. That's how you select the first element. That's how you guarantee that the first element is selected when applying some sort of jQuery code. It could be click or it could be something else. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.